This is the self-adhesive sealing membrane from the Team Direct sealing set, and we will now apply it. Cut the sealing strip to the required length. Align and position the sealing sheet. Remove a piece of the narrow side of the sealing sheet. Peel off the masking film at a 540-degree angle. Overlap the sealing sheet by 50 mm on the top sealing tape. Mark the end of the sealing strip on the surface. Plumb and mark the wall panel dimensions. Cut out the marked hole pattern. Cut the sealing sheet to size. You can reuse any leftover materials. The sealing tape is required if the shower tray is wider than 90 centimeters. With a maximum sealing surface width of 1.20 m, apply as follows. 2 sealing tapes of 500 mm and 1 sealing tape 300 mm.